Hi, my name is Kenna. I'm the Construction Division Manager here at ACCU. I work with the community managers and the boards and all of the homeowners at our associations to tackle any large construction projects that your association may need. Everything from small little repairs to larger capital improvement projects. I'll be with you every step of the way to help you get the vendors involved, negotiate your contracts, and make sure that you're getting everything that you are looking for. The projects that I focus on are the projects that are above the limit of what ACCU Inc. is able to approve for the board on our own accord. So those are the smaller work orders that our assistant managers work with mostly. I will step in when a project gets a little bit bigger and we need to look at multiple bids, work with multiple contractors, and really create the scope of work rather than my gutter's broken, can you please go fix it? So a more complex scope of work and overall projects. So there's a lot of tasks that the managers have to tackle on a day-to-day basis to help your association run as normal. And when a construction project comes up, it takes a lot of time and energy being out on site to look at the project, work with all the vendors, coordinate all the bids, and it's a lot of extra work that the managers don't necessarily have built into their daily schedule. So having someone in my role to really dive in deeper into the details and provide some extra expertise for our boards so that they are not feeling so overwhelmed by these projects that cost a lot of money and take a lot of time to put together. Everyone wants to keep the costs as low as possible, but they also want the work to be done to a high quality. And so what I'm able to provide to the boards is time and energy spent on looking at the details of the bids, going line item by line item to make sure that we're not getting overcharged on materials or labor based on the current industry standards, as well as making sure that there's no missing pieces of what the board is looking for. So really diving into all those details so that the board doesn't have to spend extra time and energy wondering if the contract that they're looking at has everything that they want for the work that they need done. Deferred maintenance means that there's an issue at your association, whether it's the siding, the roofs, the gutters, the asphalt, any component within the property that has not been maintained properly and is creating bigger issues as time goes on. And what we like to do here at ACCU is be proactive with these projects and get in front of the boards, bring them the information that they need so that they can make the educated and informed decisions to help prolong their communities and all of the components that go into the property. What we would like to see our homeowners utilize is our amazing homeowner portal. You can find all of the documents for your association, including the governing documents, which will include a breakdown of who is responsible for which component on your property, whether it's the siding or the door frames or the window frames. Your governing documents will give you a clear answer on whether it is your responsibility as a homeowner to make those repairs or if you should reach out to your management company and see if the association can make the repair for you. We understand that it can be extremely frustrating when there's an issue on your property that needs repair, and ACCU Inc. is always here to help you and answer any questions you may have on the maintenance responsibilities and whether you are responsible as a homeowner or whether the association will work with contractors to make that repair for you. And beyond the phone calls and emails that our team are always ready to answer for you, we also have our amazing homeowner portal on the website, which is available to all homeowners and contains a lot of helpful information, including your association's documents and any correspondence that you do have with your management company or your board, so you can always stay up to date on what's going on.